Go ahead.
Story of the two birds. This here is Frenchie. Oh, oui, oui. And this here is Mr. American Eagle bird, a guy. He's from America. And he's just, yeah. So, anyway. So, these two are deciding which country is cooler. Okay? So, Frenchie says that France is way cooler than America. But Eagle says, we're so much better. So let's listen into their argument. Yeah. We have French fries and spaghetti. Yeah? Well, guess what we have? We have New York City, the Grand Canyon. Yeah. But we have the Eiffel Tower and Paris. Yeah? Well, we got football, and baseball, yeah, and hot dogs. Well, I can't beat that. Yeah, your country actually sounds kind of cool too. All right, so I will go to America for a week, and you will come to Paris to France for a week. Okay? Sounds cool. All right. Bye.